This city never stands still.
They came chasing freedom.
Industry builds this nation. Steel connects the country.
Hard work feeds America.
The frontier is closing.
Change is coming.
Messages travel faster than ever.
Darkness fuels the light above.
Their voices are rising.
Freedom still unfinished.
Money shapes power. The future sits in these desks. America looks beyond its shores.
Black gold changes everything.
Life moves in every direction. Night will never be the same. Science fights for life.
Stories shape the nation.
Dreams live in tight spaces. From soil to city. Faith guides the uncertain.
Democracy speaks loudly.
America is changing. The future belongs to those who build it.